This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, May 5th, 2015. And now our first look at the zero-Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have this disturbance moving across the central and southern plain states. Another disturbance a little more compact over the northwestern part of the country, the Pacific Northwest, western Canada. And these two systems are probably going to be our main focus for the next several days and into the weekend as well. Some showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Will not be all day rains. We could see some sunshine, and any sunshine we do get could raise the temperatures up into the 70s and low 80s. Little cooler in our northern counties where we could see 60s, but we should be well into the 70s to near 80 here on Wednesday. Could see some more sunshine, mainly in our eastern counties with showers and thunderstorms. Some of them could be a bit strong. We'll have to wait and see on that. Thursday, the chances may be a bit less, but still around nonetheless. We could still see a little bit of sunshine around. That could bring the temperatures up well into the 70s to near 80, with the better chances of precipitation looking to be to our north. And then we have a little bit of a break. Now this is what we've not seen this in the last couple of runs, but we're going to see if this trend continues. Friday and even into Saturday, which you'll see after this, you see most of the state is fairly dry, except our far southern counties. And this is due to a high pressure that's nosing in from the north. This would nose in drier air. We'll have to wait and see if this happens. If it does not, we could see rain across the entire state, both Friday and Saturday. But we know for sure Sunday, the next system, which is that one from the northwest, comes in. That's going to bring the Gulf moisture back up. Showers and thunderstorms again. Maybe strong storms again. We'll have to wait and see on that. We have several days to watch that. And even into next Monday, that storm is slowly moving toward the east-northeast. It's still around. Still some showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures likely remaining in the 70s for the most part, with maybe a bit of sunshine, but a lot less than we will see earlier in the week. Going into next Tuesday, you can still see the disturbances fairly close. The main jet stream, we have the southern stream across the middle part of the country, and the northern stream well across Canada. And you see one system is slowly beginning to depart. Not too sure if we're going to continue to see rain even into next Tuesday. We'll have to wait and see on that. But better chances across the Gulf Coast and through the eastern half of the country with another system moving into the northwest. Going into the extended period on May the 16th, fairly decent ridge, not quite, a little bit of a weakness over the Appalachian Mountains and into the Mid-Atlantic, but pretty much a ridge over the eastern half of the country outside of that, and a big trough over the west, bringing a lot of stormy weather out there. A little bit of stormy weather with that little weakness in this ridge over the east. Cold front moving through northern Florida and the Gulf Coast with some showers and storms, if this is to be correct. And then at the end of the forecast on May the 20th, a couple of disturbances from the Great Lakes back into the north and west, with the flow mainly a big broad type trough, not big humongous trough we normally see in the wintertime, but nonetheless it's one that's going to bring the jet stream pretty much down into our area that will see more stormy weather, showers and thunderstorms again. One storm moving just to our east, another one coming in from the north and west, so still looks fairly active through the rest of the month of May. And the satellite image from last evening still looks very active. Complexes of showers and thunderstorms from the western Great Lakes through the state, back into the plains, and even into the southern plains. Big lot of clouds out in the west, and a tropical entity that could be forming off the Florida coast. We'll have to wait and see. The Watch 20 map from last evening shows fairly quiet. Tornado watch during the early morning hours. Some flood watches out in Texas, New Mexico as well. Outside of that, a little flood issues in Colorado, Kansas, and a frost advisory in northern Minnesota is all we see. But the QPF chart, this is rainfall for the next 7 days. This goes through next Monday at 7 o'clock, showing quite a bit of rain, at least 2 to 3 inches, maybe upwards of 4, with the heaviest over Oklahoma to North Texas.